Hi, my name is Gurmeet. I'm the fundamental analyst for Wealth Trend Asia. Today I'm going to focus on the gold trend based on technical analysis and also fundamental analysis. Looking forward, there we can see we have four fundamental factors. Firstly, as we know, the flash PMI is quite low. Secondly, as we can see, we are waiting for the most important news this Friday by Jay Powells that will actually change the direction of the US market. Thirdly, we are looking forward for the forecasted one for the US home sales, which is forecasted at 575,000. However, we would like to see it as well. Fourthly, you can see the Richmond Manufacturing Index is forecasted at 0. There is no any improvement as well as there is no any reduction, and it is forecasted at 0. The fundamental range that we are looking for support 677.84 to 1736.24. That is the support range that we are looking at. Resistance area, we are looking to 1750 to 1761.90. That is the resistance point that we are looking at for fundamental range. Moving forward for our technical analysis, as we can see over here, we have two ranges as well for the technical analysis. For technical analysis, our support at daily would be at 1711.53 to 1717.11. This is the support range that we are looking at. Looking forward for our resistance area, we are looking at 1755.97 to 1758.41. This is the range that we are looking at for our fundamental and also for technical analysis. What we are looking at is that we know the trend for fundamental analysis is bearish. However, in technical, we are looking for a buy confirmation. So if you would like to have a buy, if you are looking for a buy, you can always go to the lower time frame. Once you go to the lower time frame, and you can just place your buy over here. For any further information, kindly contact me Gurmeet at 014-258-4067. I'm looking forward to share. I'm looking forward to learn. Have a good day.